Alright, honeybee swarm number 5. These moved in yesterday. If you follow us on Facebook, I posted a picture of these girls hanging out on the front of the box. And as big as they were yesterday, I honestly feel like they're probably going to go in a 10 frame. That's why I already brought the 10 frame up. The other hive that we had all the free drawn combs, I didn't know about that one. I really do hate that we lost all that comb, but so these girls moved in yesterday. That frame is almost completely drawn out. That's half drawn out. That's crazy. They're going on 24 hours right now. I did see their queen yesterday. I didn't try to mark her or nothing. These girls was busy last night. See, they want to draw that comb off the bottom too. But that one there those cells are half deep right now. They're deep enough that Mama could lay in them if she wanted to. I know that the eggs will be standing up. I can't see them standing up, so I got to wait for them to fall over. Yeah, they want to draw that comb down there. I'm gonna go get, just because these are so pretty, I'm gonna go get them some blank frames to draw on so they can do something with all that white that they so want to draw. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and pull these frames that I've brought over here out, because we're gonna get 4 brand new frames out of them while they're locked and loaded. You know what I mean? Point wasting the resources, because they're drawing some pretty comb quickly. That side there's look at that. That's crazy. That is just crazy. It amazes me to this day how fast a swarm will draw comb. They don't play. They do not play. I'm not really looking for the queen really hard. I mean, if I happen to spot her, I'll holler. But oh, it's like they just got started on this frame. So that's the 5 frames. That box is slammed full of bees, you hear me? I mean all the way. That's crazy. We're gonna bump them. Just like we're putting in a package now. All them bees. All of them bees. That's a lot of bees. Alright, so number 5 for 2025 was impressive. I liked it. It was nice. Please like and subscribe. Y'all have a good day. I'm getting ready to do number 6 right here in just a minute. Let me get these girls some fresh frames.